What is up, Trogs? So we're here once again at Mile Square Park. You might have seen we caught a few fish here a couple days ago. Jonathan over here caught a nice goldfish, and we had a couple commons. But we're gonna give it another try today, and try and improve our techniques a little bit and see what happens. All right, guys, we just got fully set up out here. Baits out, rods out. Just fishing, I'm actually fishing closed bail right now with a little bit of slack, just to see if they won't hook themselves. But got 2 pound setup right here, and then I've got my 4 pound setup right here. So this one has 4 pound line, this one has 2 pound line. And this rod, we're kind of pushing our luck today. We got a diver rod, and it looks like we got the custom weight on this is 16.5 ounce. So that's 1 to 6 pound line rated. So yeah, we're gonna have some, hopefully have some real fun with this today. Ain't that right?
Oh yeah.
Ain't that right?
Oh, it's right.
It's kind of sus.
Oh, big boy.
We got hooked up. Finally, one out of these finicky bites. We got one. Got it.
Oh!
Got him.
Flopped him.
Just like that, guys. Quality model. Dude, look at that thing's belly. Thing's been eating.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah. Put this little fellow back in the water. Oh, I like that sound he just made.
Nice quality models.
Again, we're hooked up. Johnny is on. He thinks it's a smaller grade fish, but seems to be giving him pretty good scrap still. So we're gonna see what happens here. Oh yeah, oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
oh yeah. Let's get another one of them.
Oh.
Here, let me help you there, buddy. Oh yeah, see that? See that?
It's running.
It's gonna do some running or what?
Oh, I did some running.
Yeah, it's kind of sus, bro. Yeah, right there. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. Yeah.
Oh, he's got me snagged.
Did you really?
Yeah.
On what?
I don't know.
Slack it.
Oh, got him out.
Out. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. Yeah.
I think he got me snagged on the drop off or something.
He's just chilling.
Oh.
Just chilling on the edge or what?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably loosen the drag after that.
After getting hit by concrete on 2 pound?
Yeah. What?
I don't believe it. We got a pelican trying to eat it here?
Get a whooping stick.
I don't believe it, but Johnny has a freaking largemouth right now. We're fishing for carp, and this motherfucker hooks a largemouth.
Oh shit, oh shit!
Get him, get him.
Get him. Oh, God, dude.
Donkey!
Look at that.
Woohoo! Let's get this boy on the grass. Give him some medical attention over here. Dude, that's a quality fish right there. Look at the belly on it.
Do you have your scale, Ronnie?
Yeah.
Dude, let's scale this back.
Let me get the scale. Look at it out here. Alright, we're zeroed.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that fish. This fish ate a bowl of bread.
Here, wait, put it on the scale.
See what this puppy weighs. Let's try and get it in the good spot here.
Right here.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah.
We have.
Oh.
Oh. No, never mind. 8.
Oh, 7:15.
7:15. No. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
it.
7:15.
So nearly 8 pounds. Look at that. Freaking bowl of bread. Ridiculous. Let's get that sucker back. Unbelievable. Nice, bro. So yeah, you heard the man. If you come to Mile Square, don't bring your HUDs, don't bring your depths, don't bring anything. Just bring a bread bowl and a size 12, apparently. Oh god. They're probably nailing the power bait too. Johnny, what'd you catch that bass on, buddy?
Kind of on chartreuse power bait, man.
Hooked up again. Oh, this might be a koi, dude, honestly. Or a goldfish. Can't work it out right now. But on the 2 pound, size 12 hook.
On the dog food.
On bread. Getting my ass absolutely handed to me right now. On this ultralight.
Oh yeah. Only quality models here, boys. Yeah.
He's just taking me for a walk.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Nice
Yeah.
little walk around the lake.
Oh yeah. Uh-huh. Oh.
Sorry?
Oh. He's coming in for the kill.
Oh, dude, beat that thing off.
The tax man.
Dude, I hate this pelican.
The tax man's coming to collect, dude.
You got the net to beat him away with. Oh, dude, that's a nice koi. That's a nice koi, dude.
Oh.
That's a nice.
And the pelican's gonna try to eat it. Ah! I was trying to beat off the.
No. Oh, look at that. Look.
Well, won't you just look at that?
Some of the juice poop off him. Just a fatty.
Fatty McDaddy.
There you go, guys. Get this little guy back now.
Oh, baby.
All majestic.
Oh.
Hooked up. There's actually some good freaking weight on this fish. I don't know what it is. Just ran me to the other side of the lake. Just been chasing it down, trying to gain some line. And I mean, I didn't even see the bite on that one. He just picked it up, and I saw my rod double over. I didn't see the bite. Johnny did. This is on a size 12, dude. Full pound. This is sketching me out. Trying my hardest not to pull hook on this fish right now.
Oh, is it? Yeah, it's right there, dude.
It's a fish?
Yeah, right under the pelican.
You see it?
Yeah. Well, I didn't see it. I just saw the boil. Nice whipping stick.
Nah, dude, it's a gnarly koi. It's a gnarly koi. It's a gnarly koi. Oh, man. My pee-pee is so goddamn hard.
Oh yeah, I bet.
This might be your fish.
Yeah?
Yeah, your spotty one, your orange one,
Okay.
your orange and white one. Alright, you got like one net shot. I'm not sure.
Split shot!
Oh my god.
It is the same
Is it the
fish.
same fish?
Yeah, that's the
Johnny
same.
caught this fish last week, guys. What are the chances? I mean, it's pretty high chance, but like.
I did catch this
fish. We'll even take a picture of the same side just to prove it. Is it the same fish?
Yeah, it's the same fish.
That's hilarious. Gotta give him a name now.
Yeah. Hang him up. Oh, I touched him.
Yeah, he didn't like it at all.
fish is tired and all that. And the reason I'm putting my guides in the water is this is 4 pounds, so I'm just making sure there's plenty of water running over my line, even if it's straight up or anything. Now I'm gonna have to gnarly twisties after this. But
Oh yeah, the twisty doodahs. Go back a little bit.
man.
No, he's coming in for the kill, man.
Unless you stick or what?
I heard it already. Oh my goodness. Come back. Come back, yeah. Alright.
Yeah, Johnny.
Oh, fucker.
We got him. Is it the same thing?
Yeah, dude.
No way.
It has to be.
No way, dude. This thing's fat.
The hook, size 12. Barely pinch hooked in the corner, but real good place to have a hook right there. There you go, guys. That's what happens when you release your goldfish in the local pond.
They get caught.
12 years later, they end up like this. They end up getting caught by trucks like us.
Mm-hmm.
But there she goes. Look at that beautiful fish, guys. Beautiful.
What a fine specimen.
Fine specimen.
All right, Johnny. What's happening right now?
They're stalking it, dude.
All right, so we're just over here minding our own business, trying to catch some fish. And would you look at it? It's stalking day. So if any trout boys want to come down to Mile Square, stalking right now. See how this thing goes. All right, so here they go, unloading some rainbows.
I'm just gonna get fish off. I'm not gonna do the.
Yeah, no worries, that's fine. Netting out some nice quality specimens.